Welcome back to camp. This morning, just out checking the cattle and come across number 13 here, number 3 here, sorry. So we'll stop the video right here and we'll have a conversation about what's going on with number 3. The normal position for a calf when it's being born is 2 front feet first, and they come out to about the knees, and then the head appears. It's just as though the calf's diving out. And if they take that position, they generally slip out very easily. But in number 3's case, the left leg was hooked back in and restrained by the knee. And whilst I knew the calf would come out easily, I had to hook the winch on the quad bike up to help her get rid of the calf. The calf was getting oxygen through the blood, through the mum's blood, through the cord, and when the mother struggles having birth like this, the cord gets broken, and hence the lack of oxygen in the blood, and the calf dies fairly quickly without taking its own breath. They always come out rather violently onto the ground with a big crash, and then that makes them start to breathe normally. So I'm not sure when this one died, probably during the night. Judging by the condition the mother was in, she was very, very tired and stressed. Many cows die giving birth. The mum can't survive when she's like this. The cow must be removed. As long as she can get up and walk, she can eat, and she should survive. She'll heal up. But you'll probably never see another calf on this property. Anyway, we'll get back to the video. There she goes. But she had a dead calf in her, and only the head. Only the head and one leg was showing, so it had one leg still inside, so it wouldn't come out. So we'll see how she goes. Come on, up yet. Come on, up, up, up. Come on, up. Come on, up, 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 up. Come on, come on, come on, come on, up. Good girl. Keep an eye on her, see how she goes. If she stays on her feet, she'll be right. If she can get up. Anyway, not sure how long this has been going on for. A fair while by the look of her. So I'll have to take the calf body over to the place where I we'll just have to see how she goes. Anyway, just a short video. The hardest part on the farm is helping these guys when they get into trouble.